Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom Pan Shovel, $9,500, Hutchinson, Kansas. This 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom combines classic panhead and shovelhead character into a distinctive old-school build with plenty of traditional American motorcycle appeal. The rigid frame is fitted with STD panhead cases, a Harley shovelhead top end, original panhead transmission, chrome Springer front end, and original 16-inch and 21-inch star hub wheels. It also features a belt-driven primary, chrome primary cover, and fresh ignition components including the coil, points, plugs, and wires. The seller describes the paint and chrome as very nice, while the motorcycle runs, rides, and stops properly. With a clean Kansas title and registration, this custom offers a striking vintage appearance for riders looking for a serious old-school Harley build. Number 2. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $8,500, Cedar Lake, Indiana. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 is one of the most recognizable Japanese superbikes of the 1970s, known for its strong inline-four performance and unmistakable vintage styling. This example has 24,391 miles and originally came from California before arriving in Indiana in 2018. Since then, the current owner has reportedly added only 515 miles, helping preserve its relatively low-use condition. New tires are included, and the seller has the title in hand. Listed in used but like-new condition, this KZ900 could be an especially appealing choice for collectors and enthusiasts looking for a well-preserved example of Kawasaki's classic superbike era. Number 3. 1971 BMW R75/5, $3,000, Dallas, Texas. The 1971 BMW R75/5 represents an important period in BMW motorcycle history, combining classic boxer twin engineering with the practical touring character that made these motorcycles so respected. This example shows 43,893 miles and retains its original Wixoff handlebar-mounted fairing along with rare leg shields, adding extra vintage appeal and touring practicality. The original toolkit and air pump are also included, while the title is in the seller's name. Most importantly, the motorcycle is fully operational and described as ready to pass a safety inspection. For enthusiasts wanting an authentic early 1970s BMW with useful original equipment, this R75/5 offers plenty of character at $3,000. Number 4. 1964 Honda CA78 Dream, $4,500, Whitewater, Wisconsin. The 1964 Honda CA78 Dream is a charming example of early Honda motorcycle design, combining elegant styling with the simplicity that helped establish Honda's reputation among riders around the world. This particular motorcycle has just 2,700 miles and is described as completely original and currently running. It comes from one of the world's largest private motorcycle collections, adding an interesting background to an already collectible machine. Its classic black finish, low mileage, and preserved original condition make this CA78 especially attractive to enthusiasts who value authenticity. For collectors looking for a genuine vintage Honda with a strong connection to the early era of Japanese motorcycling, this Dream is a very interesting find. Number 5. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, $5,500, Tulsa, Oklahoma. The 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3 combines classic Italian styling with the distinctive character of Moto Guzzi's air-cooled V-twin engineering. This example has 87,000 miles but has been fully mechanically restored by certified Moto Guzzi technicians rather than being rebuilt as a home project. The work includes new electronics connected to the original equipment, while the tank has been repainted and a brand new custom seat installed. The original hard case saddlebags are also included, although they will need repainting. Described as running incredibly well for its age, this T3 offers an appealing combination of professional restoration, authentic Italian character, and practical touring equipment. Number 6. 1971 Yamaha XS650, $5,000, Grand Rapids, Michigan. The 1971 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most respected classic Japanese twins, combining simple mechanical design with timeless styling and a strong connection to the early era of Yamaha motorcycles. This example shows 14,168 miles and has been fully restored, giving the next owner an opportunity to enjoy one of Yamaha's most recognizable vintage models without taking on a major restoration project. The classic gold finish also adds to its period appearance and collectible appeal. For enthusiasts looking for a beautifully refreshed XS650 with genuine early 1970s character, this motorcycle offers an attractive blend of vintage style, simplicity, and riding appeal at $5,000. Number 7. 1959 Triumph Tiger Cub T20CA, $2,995, Saxonburg, Pennsylvania. The 1959 Triumph Tiger Cub T20CA is a charming, lightweight British motorcycle with plenty of vintage character and an interesting history. This example has matching numbers, a clear title in the seller's name, and has been finished in the correct Aztec red color. The engine was rebuilt with new seals, bearings, and rings as needed, while the motorcycle also received rebuilt front forks, new gaiters, carburetor, Hagon rear shocks, chain, sprocket, coil, battery, and electronic voltage regulator. It starts and runs great, although a few smaller items still need to be completed. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable and distinctive British classic, this Tiger Cub offers plenty of charm at $2,995. Number 8. 1981 Ducati 900 Sport Desmo, $5,500, Dillon, Colorado. The 1981 Ducati 900 Sport Desmo is a highly distinctive Italian classic, featuring Ducati's famous desmodromic valve system and the aggressive character that made the 900 Sport so desirable among enthusiasts. This example has just 6,998 original miles and recently emerged from approximately 35 years of storage. Vanity Motorworks performed important recommissioning work, including carburetor service, a new battery, petcocks, front seals, chain, Dunlop tires, and fresh synthetic oil and filter. With the motorcycle now ready for its next stage of care, this low-mileage Ducati offers a fascinating opportunity for collectors and riders who appreciate rare Italian engineering and unmistakable vintage style. Number 9. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom, $5,000, Rogers, Arkansas. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom combines classic American styling with a newer engine and a refreshed mechanical setup. This example has a new engine with only about 200 miles on it, while the original engine is also included in boxes for anyone interested in keeping the original components. The seller says the motorcycle runs and drives great and was recently taken to a shop for a thorough check and refresh.
With its red finish, custom character, and freshly serviced engine, this Sportster could be an appealing choice for someone looking for a classic Harley that is ready to enjoy while still offering an interesting project opportunity with the original engine included.
Number 10. 1995 Suzuki Intruder VS600. $800. Rio Communities, New Mexico. The 1995 Suzuki Intruder VS600 offers a compact V-twin cruiser platform with shaft drive and classic 1990s Japanese styling, making it an interesting starting point for a custom project. This example shows 17,706 miles and retains its factory silver finish, with the chrome and original tank emblem still in good shape despite some minor cosmetic wear. However, the motorcycle is currently not running and is being sold strictly as is for parts or restoration. The seller also notes that there is no title and the sale comes with a bill of sale only. At just $800, this Intruder could appeal to a mechanic or builder looking for an inexpensive foundation for a bobber project or a source of usable parts.